Is it your wish to secure an itaueki land lease? Launch an application now. Clearly state your area of interest and make sure to provide all the necessary requirements and pay the lease application fees. Your application can only be processed further if land is available in the area or location of your interest. It will take 6 weeks or more to process the application, as there needs to be consultation with the itaueki landowners, inspection, and recommendation before approval or rejection is determined, and then you pay the lease processing fee. Payment of the lease offer needs to be made within 6 weeks of receiving the offer. If an environmental impact assessment report is required, the Department of Environment needs to approve before submitting the report to TLTB. We will then prepare the lease documents and ask you to come and sign before we register and issue you your lease documents. For more information on the details of the requirements, please log on to www.tltb.com.fj or visit a TLTB office near you. Itaueki Land, our heritage, our future.